Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a sprawling dataset in Excel, where the rows and columns just blend into a sea of confusion? Well, we've all been there. Excel's focus cell feature is here to make analyzing large datasets simple and stress-free. By highlighting the row and column of a selected cell, it allows you to quickly zero in on the information you need without distractions. So just imagine, click on one cell and instantly its row and column data are lit up. This makes it easy to trace data, compare numbers, and help you stay organized, all with a single glance. So no more squinting at the screen or losing track of your place. Activating the focus cell feature is as simple as it gets. Simply go to the View tab on the ribbon and click the Focus Cell button. With just one click, your worksheet transforms, making tracking and comparing data across the row and column so easy. Do you want to make it even better? You can customize the color of the highlights to suit your preference. Click on the arrow next to the Focus Cell button and select the focus cell color. Pick a shade that enhances visibility and is a good contrast to your worksheet data. And then, when you're ready to go back to your regular view, simply deactivate the feature by clicking the focus cell button again. It's that easy. So whether you're managing numbers, comparing data, or keeping things organized, Excel's focus cell feature is an essential tool that can enhance clarity and maintain the accuracy in your work. So go ahead, try it out, and let me know what you think.